right, bring it in steady. Easy now, watch the swing. Set her down, good, good. Shim that edge! Bolts are in, lock it down! Layout's complete! Drilling these studs, watch for sparks. Pulling the hot wires through now. Crimping the PEX lines tight. Gluing the drains, hold it steady. Mounting the last box, almost done. Let's go, fast assembly. Stools are up. Tables and chairs done. Perfect area furnished.
Mounting the POS screen, inserting the cash drawer, plugging in the card reader, loading receipt paper.
Connecting water line to espresso muscle means. Filling grinder with B case.
All systems tested and functioning. One latte, extra foam. That'll be $5.50.
Let's review the floor plan. Great job, team.
Welcome! Right this way. Your latte, fresh and hot. We're filling up fast. Great first day. Happy 1-year anniversary, everyone! Thank you all for a thriving year.
Up she goes, clear the path. Swing it over, guide it down. Steady, lock it in place. Bolt it tight, next one coming.
Table assembled, chairs placed, lights lowered. Artwork hung, doors adjusted, centerpieces arranged. Private event space ready for bookings.
Let's get these planters assembled fast.
Soil's going in, keep it moving.
Seedlings in rows now, labels next.
Tubing connected, we're expanding.
Garden's looking productive already.
Testing 1, 2, check.
Got it. Sounds clear.
Morning regulars, the usual?
Yes, please, to the roof.
You know it, let's go.
Steaming milk coming up. Perfect, thank you.
Just right.
Here you go, loyalty.
Yes.
One more.
Wow, look at this art. Perfect, let's post it. It's going viral. This place is packed now.
Award-winning Greenleaf Cafe.
For sustainability leadership.
We compost and recycle.
And solar panels? Yes, cutting our footprint.
A true green leader.
Okay, team, let's get started. Try the new pastries.
These are amazing.
Great. Selfie time, everyone. All right, to your stations. Wow, fresh roasted. Amazing.
Shaken, not stirred. Perfect shot! To a memorable night.
Cheers.
The sun sets behind the skyline, lights flicker on automatically, and the cafe comes to life. Patrons raise their glasses in celebration, and the barista pours perfect latte art. The cafe is complete, serving its community for years to come.